Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to answer another classic React interview question. Can you explain what the component lifecycle means in React? This question is really about understanding how a component behaves from creation to removal. So let's break it down step by step. The component lifecycle describes the different stages a React component goes through. You can think of it like the life of a component. It is created, it may update, eventually it is removed. So the three main phases are mounting, updating, unmounting. Mounting is when a component is first created and added to the DOM. In class component, the main lifecycle method was component.mount. This was commonly used for API requests, setting up subscriptions, starting timers, and so on. Updating happens when props change, state changes. In class components, we had component.update. This runs after the component re-renders. Unmounting happens when a component is removed from the DOM. In class components, we used component will unmount. This is used for cleanup tasks like removing event listeners, clearing timers, or canceling subscriptions, and so on. Today, most React apps use functional components. Instead of lifecycle methods, we use hooks, mainly useEffect. Here, the effect runs after the component mounts. The cleanup function runs when the component unmounts. The behavior of useEffect actually depends on the dependency array. Also, if the effect returns a cleanup function, it runs before the component unmounts or before the effect runs again. So the lifecycle still exists, but it's handled through hooks and the dependency array in useEffect. You can think of the lifecycle like this: mount, update, unmount. React simply gives us different tools to react to these stages. Here's a clean answer you can give in an interview. The component lifecycle describes the different stages a React component goes through: mounting, updating, and unmounting. In class components, these stages were handled using lifecycle methods like component.mount, component.update, and component will unmount. In modern React, functional components manage lifecycle behavior using hooks, mainly useEffect. Alright, that's it for today. Understanding the React lifecycle helps you know when side effects run and how components behave over time. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.